uh, uh, and due to the problem of time limitation of the software which I am using, it was a mid-break in my previous lecture 17. और उस लेक्चर में हम इस क्वेश्चन नंबर लेक्चर 17 के इस प्रॉब्लम पे कुछ डिस्कशन कर रहे थे, लेकिन बीच में कट गया. सो आई एम अगेन स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम द बिगनिंग. How to calculate probability of a random variable which is gamma distribution, which is having gamma distribution with given parameter alpha and beta. For example, let we are having a random variable x which has gamma distribution with parameter 2 and 3, means alpha is equals to 2, beta is equals to 3, and we want to know the what is probability that x lies between 4 to 6. So, we have our density function, that is fx is equals to 9 upon 1 means 9, x to the power 1 means x e to the power minus 3x means 9 x e to the power minus 3x, x greater than 0 for this given parameter. So, our probability will be naturally integral of this function over the range 0, 4 to 6. And it should be, it is 9, 4 to 6, x is to the power minus 3x dx. Now it is simple integral. We can solve by taking the substitution. और हमने यहाँ substitution लिया कि minus 3x is equals to t, and according to this substitution I make another changes, what is the limit value of the integral and what will be the dx in place in terms of dt, and the integral came out to be this one. Then by integral by part हमने इसे इंटीग्रल सॉल्व कर लिया, एंड सॉल्व करने के बाद हमें इसका आंसर मिला 13 e to the power minus 12 minus 19 e to the power minus 18, जो कि बाद में आप कैलकुलेटर से इसकी पर्टिकुलर वैल्यू निकाल सकते हैं. नाउ अगर ये दिस अल्फा which is here 2, it was 20 for example, then what will be here t to the power 20 e to the power minus t dt. और उस केस में हमें इंटीग्रल बाई पार्ट करने में काफ़ी स्टेप्स यूज करने होते हैं. देन वी कैन सॉल्व दिस इंटीग्रल t to the power 20 e to the power t dt under this limit. So there is a correspondence between the probability of gamma distribution with the probability of Poisson distribution, provided the parameter alpha of gamma distribution is integer. So I'm just talking about the situation when alpha is a integer value, and the relation is that if x is a random variable which is gamma distribution with parameter alpha beta, where alpha is integer, then the CDF of x means probability of random variable x takes any value small x is equals to 1 minus summation of k goes from 0 to alpha minus 1. What is alpha? Alpha is the parameter of gamma distribution into so e to the power minus beta x to the power k upon factorial k. Here, don't be confused by this x. This x is constant and it is equals to the value written here. So e to the power beta x is a constant term. X is known, beta is known, and this is a form of Poisson distribution with parameter beta into x. Okay, so you can solve the problem by the help of this one. To show the example, I again came to the problem. Probability x lies between 4 to 6. X follows gamma distribution with parameter 2, 3. Now we can write this probability in terms of CDF of gamma distribution as fx6 minus fx4. Now fx6 and fx4 can be obtained by this relation. Now fx6 is equals to 1 minus summation k goes from 0 to alpha means 2 to minus 1 e to the power minus 3, beta is 3 and x is 6. So 3 into 6 to the power k upon factorial k, and it is like this. So I am not going to solve here because some term will be cancelled out. I written it as equation 1. Similarly, fx4 can be written as this one. Now, subtracting equation 1 from equation 2, we get fx6 minus fx4 means gamma probability. Required gamma probability is equals to, on the right hand side, this term will be negative and this term will be positive. So this minus this. Okay. Now I expand the summation. K barabar 0 means 12 to the power 0 upon factorial 0, 12 to the power 1 upon factorial 1. Similarly, I expand here and then I manipulate to further simplified this expression, and it came to be 13 e to the power minus 12, 19 e to the power minus 18. Similar to this result. So what do we find? We find that if in gamma distribution alpha is integer and we want probability of gamma random variable, then we can use this Poisson relation of gamma distribution, CDF. Now, distribution now the question you may be thinking in your mind, where we use this probability distribution. This probability distribution has wide use generally in the field of waiting time, in queue, probability of lifetime of equipment, mostly the situation when the phenomena deteriorates with time. So it is called lifetime distribution also. Okay. Now an exercise for you. Let x1 is a gamma random variable with parameter 2, 3 and x2 is gamma random variable with parameter 3, 3. Then find probability of x1 plus x2 less than 5. Here there is a problem in this question. We cannot find the probability distribution of x1 plus x2 unless until it is given that x1 and x2 are independent. And that sentence is left here. So add that x1 and x2 are independent and then find the probability of x1 plus x2 less than 5. I think it is a very easy question because we have came to know that the reproductive property is followed by gamma distribution. Hence, this probability distribution of sum of these two is again gamma distribution with certain parameter. You have to obtain the parameters and finally solving the problem. Thanks.